Welcome back to Real Wood. We are still here in Heritage Dunes, and I'm excited today because I'm going to show you my favorite room in this house on level 2, the great room. So let's head on in there. So in this room, you see some beautiful products provided by EF San Juan, these weather shield windows and doors in here, and some beautiful huge crown cove. And look at that stunning view. Fireplace just really makes you want to cozy up here. One of the first things I want to highlight are these beautiful weather shield window units with the transoms above. Just brings in so much natural light. Natural light in a great room like this just really makes it feel open and alive, and I just love to see that in here. Mixing in some nice architecture here. They've got these beautiful trellises adding this accent to this room. This box trellis material is some really gorgeous red oak that we provided, and just awesome to see it installed here, and really looks amazing. One thing you don't see often in a beach house is a large cove molding like this in this cornice of this room. I think it really brings a nice homey feel into this house. It is just a gorgeous accent into this room in the cornice. And then you'll see that they actually tie it in down in the first floor as well. And that's a really nice architectural detail. Let's head down and check it out. As you can see, that cove molding that we saw on the top floor has been scaled down, and that detail continued into the cornice of this room, and then continued also into this beautiful coffered ceiling here. And actually the top of this ceiling is Venetian plaster done in black. That's a material that we see in many of the houses we do in Alice Beach over here in 30A, done in white. I've never seen it in black like this, but it's a pretty stunning feature, and the reflection off of it gives some really, really cool looks here. So really nice detail and brings a nice closure to this house. And this is truly a beautiful home. All right, guys, I want to finish off by handing out a couple of thank yous. First and foremost to the homeowners for letting us into their beautiful home to show off our product installed here. It's really an amazing piece of property. Such a beautiful example of 30A as a whole, and just awesome to see it in use and installed. So thank you again. And then the second thank you I want to give is to you guys, the viewers. I appreciate everybody that watches this. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing our product installed in the field, and I want to know what we can do to make these better. If you guys have suggestions, things you would like to see, processes you're interested in, please drop a comment, let us know, and we will see you next time on Real Wood. Thank you.